everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you my process and how I made this adorable little laser cut dragon sign. I hope you enjoy. So, starting off with the drawing, I have already imported my sketch and put down the base color for the engraving. And here I'm just going through and putting down some basic shadows and outlining everything. And then continuing to put in a more feathered shadow and to get the outline of the dragon and all of its pieces. I continue to test with different sorts of scales and designs to see what I like and what I wanted to put on the dragon. In the end, I decided to go with this more plated design as it was much easier and much faster to draw. Now here on the shoulder pads, I decided to do a pebbled scale design, and going in and feathering everything out so it all blends in smoothly. I then decided to go with a more plated design on the back of the leg, again just because it's quicker. And in the end, I ultimately decided that I didn't like the pebble design on the arms and finished it off with the plated design that I've done on the rest of the body so far. Here for the wings, I've decided to go with a more bat-like wing, and tried my best to lay the foundation of color to smooth out and create a gradient effect, and hopefully it looks more 3D that way. Here on the face, I experimented with a couple different scale designs to see what I liked. I took a lot of inspiration from the Wings of Fire dragons. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a picture on screen. I decided to mix in sort of pebbled scales along with the plated design on the face to match the rest of the body. As you can see, I decided that I didn't really like the super plated design on the head, so I decided to go with something a little bit different. I redesigned the horns to be more plated to look like the rest of the body, and I did this highlighting scale effect to get the pebbled scales without making them look too weird, and then incorporated the plated design from the rest of the body onto the face to give it a smoother transition, but also define the face and separate it from the rest of the body. Now I'm just going around the rest of the dragon, putting in shadows, putting in highlights as I see fit, and adding a little bit of a gradient to darken everything up. And here we have the final piece. This will be the drawing that I use to engrave the dragon on a silhouette piece that I cut out and then engrave over. And yeah, so let's move to the laser cutter and cut this out. And here we have a finished piece. Now all that's left is to get some string and restring this up. For the string, I just used some rope twine I got from the dollar store with a wire inside. The wire makes it easier for me to shape the string so that it'll hang nicer. And with all that, here's the final piece. I really hope you guys liked this little tutorial video that I made. If you did, let me know down in the comments section and I will be sure to upload more videos like this in the future. And if you like the little dragon sign that I made, I am selling them in my Etsy shop, so if you'd like to get your own, you can go down in the description and check out my Etsy shop where you can buy one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in future videos. Stay creative, everyone.